Here's a quick look at the finished sofa. A quick tip before you start. Place one part D washer onto each part C bolt. You'll use that combination several times later. First, take the 3 seat base panels, 6 part A bolts, 6 part B screws, and both Allen keys E and F. Start by lining up the first 2 base panels. Insert the part A bolts from one side and the matching part B screws from the other side. Connect the first 3 points and tighten them enough to hold everything in place. Now bring in the 3rd base panel and repeat the same process on the other side. Again, insert the part A bolts from one side and the matching part B screws from the other side. Once all 6 connections are in place, use Allen keys E and F to fully tighten all the screws. For this step, use both Allen keys together. Use one key to hold the screw steady and the other key to tighten it. Next, take the 3 backrest frames, 4 part A bolts, 4 part B screws, and both Allen keys E and F. Line up the first 2 backrest frames. Use 2 part A bolts and 2 part B screws to connect them together. Once that section is connected, bring in the 3rd backrest frame and repeat the same process on the other side. Use the remaining 2 part A bolts and 2 part B screws. When all 4 connection points are in place, use Allen keys E and F to fully tighten all the screws. Now take 6 part C bolts with the washers already on them and Allen key E. Set the backrest section onto the base, just as shown in the video. Install the 6 bolts and tighten them into place. Next, take one arm frame, 5 part C bolts with the washers already on them, and Allen key E. Position the arm frame and install the bolts. Once everything is lined up, tighten the screws securely. Now repeat the same process on the other side, using the 2nd arm frame, 5 more part C bolts with washers, and Allen key E. Now take one support leg, 4 part C bolts with the washers already on them, and Allen key E. Position the first leg, then install the 4 bolt sets one by one. Once all 4 bolts are in place, use Allen key E to tighten them securely. Now install the 2nd leg the same way. Take the other support leg, the remaining 4 part C bolts with washers, install the 4 bolt sets one by one, then tighten them securely. With the frame complete, place the 3 seat cushions into position. Then set the 3 back cushions in place. Then tie each set of cushion strings securely, one by one, so the cushions stay firmly in place and do not shift. And that's it. Your 3-seat sofa is fully assembled and ready to use.